And you can trust me on that I will never betray you.
I don't think that Vishal will return. You come with me.
His friend had called. He is marrying someone else. He betrayed me. He betrayed me. He turned out to be a traitor.
Whatever happened was for the best. If you would have gone with him, who knows what would have happened.
Oh no.
To die for love.
As long as I am alive, I will only live with Deep. It doesn't matter even if I am forced to kill someone. Now you have to decide to whom you are favoring. Are you favoring Deep or me?
Deep sir has done a lot of favors for me. Hence it is my duty to save his future from getting ruined. Deep sir's inclination towards Arohi will surely put him into grave danger. And I won't let this happen. I shall obstruct that. And hence I am favoring you.
Deep should take a lesson on loyalty from you, Prithvi. We only have one motive now. To get Deep out of Arohi's trap. Brother.
What are you doing here?
Hello, Aniket.
Hello, Deep. What brings you here?
Won't you ask us to sit?
Come. Sit.
Hold on! You have come back again? Get out of here!
Riddhi, please, don't do this. First listen to us, and after that, you can make any decision that you want to. Arohi is so embarrassed due to her deeds that she didn't even want to face both of you. In fact, I told her that we should talk to both of you. They are very kind and they will surely forgive you.
I know that I have hurt you deeply, but I can't do anything else besides apologizing to you. Please forgive me, brother. Riddhi, one mistake from an outsider can be forgiven. I am your family. Please forgive me. Brother, you know that I don't have anyone else in the world besides you. And if you reject me like this, then where will I go? What will happen to me?
Aniket, you know what had happened was unintentional. Arohi was not in her right mind, otherwise she would have never misbehaved with you like this. In fact, there's improvement in her health now. If you don't forgive her, then her health will only deteriorate instead of improving. Please, forget about all that happened and just forgive Arohi.
How can we forget all that so easily? This incident has taken place 3 days back. And you have come here today. If you would have come that day, then I would have understood. I hope you are not plotting something. Or is it some new trick? To hurt innocent people like us.
Riddhi, what are you saying? Please don't accuse Deep. He brought me here so that our relationship...
I don't care about relationships. I don't want to talk to you about this. Just get out of here or else I'll call the police.
Don't tell anyone that I had come here. It will help me in my inquiry. I hope you understand.
What does the police have to do in such personal matters?
It's my request to you. Please go away from here. My wife is extremely angry right now, and I hope matters don't get worse. So please.
Okay. Let's go, Arohi. You know that all of this happened unintentionally. Arohi had lost her mind, otherwise she wouldn't have done all of that. Forget what happened and forgive Arohi. She's really sorry about it.
This is the proof. Deep wants to clear the air between Arohi and her brother and her sister-in-law. He wants to bridge the gap which is between them.
Deep, my brother and his wife have broken all contacts with me. They threw me out of their house and their hearts too. I don't understand. How could they have such a big misunderstanding about us? Why is my brother so angry with me, Deep? What did I do? I don't understand anything.
Arohi, please stop crying. It is a momentary anger. It will go away with time. You leave this to me. I won't rest until I convince them and they will reconcile with you. Come on, get in the car.
I want to meet you, Vishal. He must be thinking, by bridging the gap between them, he will get what he wants. And he will live happily ever after with my look-alike. Deep did what he had to do. Now, just wait and watch what Tara does. I very well know about Arohi's weakness. And now, I will target that only.
And you can trust me on that I will never betray you.
I don't think that Vishal will return. You come with me.
His friend had called. He is marrying someone else. He betrayed me. He betrayed me. He turned out to be a traitor.
Whatever happened was for the best. If you would have gone with him, who knows what would have happened.
Oh no, I put salt in the tea instead of sugar. Arohi.
Good morning, sweetheart. Oh, my wife works so much. Anyway, hot wife, what are you up to? Do you intend to heat the tea by putting your finger into it?
What do you mean?
Because the gas isn't on.
I forgot. I'm sorry.
What happened? What's the matter? Looks like you're still disturbed about your brother and sister-in-law. Or is it something else?
Oh God, how should I tell Deep? Deep is already disturbed about my brother. He will get disturbed if I tell him about Vishal now. No, I won't tell Deep anything about this.
Arohi, please tell me what's the problem? What happened?
Deep, there is so much negative energy in our place. I think someone has cast the evil eye on us. We should have a veneration for peace at home.
You won't believe it. The thing that you've been thinking, I was thinking about the same thing. In fact, I have called the priest to perform an oblation. I came to tell you the same thing. And Mom and Dad have sent an invitation to your brother as well.
Deep, I hope everything gets better. I hope brother and Riddhi attend the veneration.
Don't worry. Everything will be all right.
शान्तिः पृथ्वी शान्तिरापः शान्तिः रोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिः.
What's the matter, Arohi? See, your brother and his wife will definitely come.
शान्तिः सर्वः शान्तिः शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि. ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः
Oh God, please take away my brother and Riddhi's hatred towards me and bring them here to me, please. Brother Riddhi, I knew that you will come. I can't tell you how happy I am. God has heard all my prayers.
Where is Nikku?
Love and Destiny are calling. Watch the full episode of To Die for Love now. A new episode of Passion and Secrets unfolds every Monday to Friday. Subscribe today and stay with us on this unforgettable journey.